Join us on the 5th of October 2024 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Ghana International School for an unforgettable journey of learning and collaboration.
Our conference theme, Owning the Future, Teachers, Students, and New Knowledge, underscores our commitment to forging connections and uniting educators from across the country.
This is my first time attending, and I'm so excited to be here, and I'm so excited to learn as much as I can.
Today I was excited to be part of the TIME conference, and I think it's an awesome conference that I would want everybody to, make time the next time it happens.
Last year, this is how much impact we made.
This conference will empower teachers to build new learning strategies and challenge our current standards in teaching.
Be a part of building the bridges that shape the future of education.
It's time.